Here's everything you need to know before you consider using sea freight. Sea freight is when packages are shipped by water. It's the most affordable shipping method if you are importing for business, but also very slow compared to air freight. It can take you up to 3 months of waiting for your packages. When using sea freight, you will be charged per CBM. A CBM is the same as a space occupied by 1 meter of length times 1 meter of width times 1 meter of height. So if you get the product of those three, that is your CBM. In simple terms, it means you'll be charged per 1 cubic meter of space occupied. If you want to find out how much you're going to pay per CBM, you need to find out these two pieces of information. Number one, you'll inquire from your supplier how many CBMs do your products or do your package make up. And then number two, ask your shipping agent how much does he charge per CBM. If you get these two, you'll be able to calculate how much money you're going to pay for your product for shipping using sea freight. So if you are importing bulky packages from China and you want to save on the costs, sea freight is the most suitable option for you. If you want to understand shipping from China in detail, watch my full video on my YouTube channel. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and follow this account for more videos just like this one here. Peace. See you in the next one.